Hi all, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem longest repeating character replacement. We are given string s and an integer k, and we can choose any character of the string and change it to any other uppercase English character. We can perform this operation at most k times. And as a return we will have length of the longest substring containing the same letter we can get after performing the above operations. So we have example 1 where this is our string and we can perform this switch 2 times. So we can have string of 4 A's or 4 B's and the result will be 4. In this example we can change any letter only once. So for example, if we change this B to A, we'll have 4, and also we can change this A to B and we'll also have 4. And our constraints are from 1 to 10 in power of 5, and S can be only English uppercase letters. So speaking about these constraints, it means that we cannot use any brute force or from n square implementations, and we have to do it in one iteration. For example, using 2 pointers, and inside these 2 pointers we will check our string, that the string is unique and we can have only k times of different letters that could be switched to any other letter. So in other words, we need to care about the longest letter. I would say it's the letter that is most frequent inside our sliding window, that is from between left and right pointer. We'll need some map where we will store every character and how often and its frequency. And the width of this window actually will be length of most frequent character plus k times, plus k, because k means how many different from most frequent letters characters we can change. So we'll define this map where we will store every letter and its or character and its frequency. To know what character is most frequent, we need additional variable like max char, for example, and we'll have 2 pointers, left and right, and we'll start iterating over our s string. On every iteration we will add current character to our map in this way, and we will need to save the most frequent character inside from this map. So if our current letter value, which represents its frequency, is higher than our current variable, we will just update it. Like this. And now we know the most frequent character, and we can keep track of our window. So while this length from R to left, and to count correct lengths between right and left, we need also make this, I believe. If this plus, if this is bigger than max char plus k, then we need to move left pointer. Map from character on the left, we'll subtract it, and we'll move our left pointer like this. And on every iteration, we will count the length of this window. This window actually will store the unique substring containing unique or same letter, and we'll have a result that we will return, and we will check. This result will be result itself, it's or length of our window. What is bigger will be saved into result, and we will return result. Max, yes. Yes, it's not I, it's R. Okay, let's submit. See you next time.